Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Volkswagen Polo 2010 MK6. And this car comes with the factory radio over here, and we found that it is just a very standard one, and yep, nothing special. And we already upgraded with the 9-inch full package of wireless and Apple Carplay and USB Apple Carplay and USB Android Auto. Okay, this is the advanced model, and it also has the Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera fit. Full control of the steering wheel control get into the new system, and also we fit here beautiful dual USB port down there, so it's hidden right under here, and yeah, 2 USB port. So that's Volkswagen Polo, and with the full setup for the phone, iPhone and Android phone. So in this case we just put the reverse gear in, and also it will work with the dynamic steering wheel guideline on the screen. You can see that that curving line because we turn the wheel, so when we turn the wheel back it goes straight or the other way. So yep, that's about, and simple, easy, and it's super clear, super detailed of the camera. You see a very slightly delay because actually the power go into this trigger is slightly millisecond quicker than going to the camera, so the camera need to get the full power before it actually go full signal into the front, because the high digital high level camera need more power to power up, but quickly it will send the signal in, and yep, it's beautiful. And one more thing I would like to show is that the system is fully integrated into the car. So at this moment, if you open the door, you will see that it's open the door on the side, and it will show you that okay, the parking brake is on and the seatbelt is not in, and yeah, it shows some other information. Okay, so if we get the voltage here, it has all other information, instrument, and it shows that one door is open, which is driver door, and that's great because we can see more information and more safety information on the screen. It shows that the fuel is here, still there, and cleaning liquid still okay, good. Yep, that's very good connected to the car. And yeah, we love to see this thing. It show all the main information from the car on the screen, and you can simply touch it and go back to the previous application. So yep, thanks again. This is the Volkswagen Polo 2010 MK6 9-inch full package. Thank you, and see you on another one.